Understanding friend in name only, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, friend in name only. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in conversations and writings. So, if you've ever come across it and wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. Let's explore together. The phrase, friend in name only, refers to someone who is called a friend but doesn't actually fulfill the duties or share the emotional connection typically associated with true friendship. It's like having a title with none of the benefits. These are people who might claim the label of a friend or are labeled as such by others, but when it comes down to support, trust, and genuine care, they're not really present or involved. To better understand this, let's look at some examples. Imagine someone who is friendly to you in public or on social media but never supports you in times of need. They're a friend in name only. A colleague who acts like a friend at work but never interacts with you outside of the job or doesn't support your personal achievements could also be considered a friend in name only. These examples highlight the superficial nature of such friendships, where the label doesn't match the reality. Now, let's put this phrase into action. Here are a few sentences that show how you can use friend in name only in your everyday communication. I thought I could count on her, but during tough times, I realized she was just a friend in name only. He has many contacts in his phone labeled as friends, but most are friends in name only. It's better to have a few true friends than a bunch of friends in name only. These sentences can help you understand the context and usage of the phrase in various situations. Understanding phrases like friend in name only not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate social relationships more effectively. Remember, true friendship goes beyond just a title. It's about actions, support, and genuine connection. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and added a new dimension to your understanding of English expressions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!